Why set remote career goals in tech?
Remote tech careers offer flexibility and opportunity, but without clear goals, it's easy to lose direction. Setting achievable milestones helps you stay focused, build relevant skills, and progress steadily, even when working from home. A thoughtful goal-setting process ensures your efforts align with your long-term ambitions and helps you measure your advancement along the way.
Start with self-assessment.
Begin by evaluating your current skills, interests, and preferred remote work style. Identify your technical strengths, areas for growth, and the types of remote roles that excite you most. Consider your learning preferences, work-life balance needs, and any gaps in your toolkit. Honest self-assessment creates a foundation for realistic, motivating career goals in the tech field.
Define SMART remote career goals.
Transform your ambitions into SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of aiming to get better at coding, set a goal like complete an intermediate Python course and deploy a web app by the end of the quarter. Clear parameters make your progress trackable and your motivation higher.
Break down goals into actionable steps.
Divide each major goal into smaller, manageable tasks. For instance, if your aim is to secure a remote developer job, outline steps such as updating your resume, building portfolio projects, networking in online communities, and applying to specific companies. Tackling each action one at a time makes big goals less daunting and builds momentum.
Track progress and adjust as needed.
Regularly review your progress, celebrate milestones, and adapt your plan as needed. Use digital tools or journals to monitor completed tasks and reflect on what's working. Remote tech careers evolve quickly, so don't be afraid to revise your goals or methods based on feedback, changing interests, or new opportunities.
Stay accountable and stay motivated.
Share your goals with mentors or peers to build accountability and get valuable feedback. Join remote tech communities, participate in online study groups, or schedule regular check-ins with a career coach. Consistent encouragement and connection can help you maintain momentum and stay focused on your journey toward remote tech career success.